Vacations are a wonderful way to relax, explore new places, and create lasting memories. However, without a solid budget, your dream trip can quickly turn into a financial headache. Budgeting helps you set realistic expectations, avoid overspending, and make the most of your experience. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of vacation budgeting, from setting your goals to tracking your expenses. By the end, you'll feel confident and prepared to plan your next getaway without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and discover how a little planning can lead to a stress-free and enjoyable vacation. Before you start crunching numbers, it's important to define what you want from your vacation. Are you looking for a relaxation on a beach, an adventurous hiking trip, or a cultural city tour? Knowing your goals will help you prioritize your spending and make decisions that align with your interests. Take a moment to imagine your ideal trip and jot down the experiences that matter most to you. This step will serve as your guide throughout the budgeting process, ensuring that your money is spent on what truly brings you joy. Selecting a destination is one of the most exciting parts of planning a vacation. Your choice will greatly influence your overall budget, as some places are more expensive than others. Research potential locations, considering factors like travel costs, accommodation prices, and daily expenses. Think about the season you want to travel in, as peak times can drive up prices. By comparing different destinations, you can find a place that fits both your dreams and your budget. Travel expenses can take up a significant portion of your vacation budget. Start by researching transportation options, such as flights, trains, buses, or driving. Look for deals, discounts, and flexible dates to save money. Don't forget to include costs like baggage fees, airport transfers, and local transportation at your destination. By estimating these expenses early, you can avoid surprises and allocate your funds more effectively. Where you stay during your vacation can greatly impact your budget. Explore different accommodation options, such as hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, or even camping. Compare prices, amenities, and locations to find the best value for your money. Remember to factor in additional costs like taxes, resort fees, or cleaning charges. Booking in advance or using loyalty programs can also help you save. Make sure your choice aligns with your comfort needs and overall trip goals. Food is an essential part of any vacation, and costs can add up quickly if you're not careful. Research typical meal prices at your destination and decide whether you'll dine out, cook, or mix both. Consider setting a daily food budget and looking for local markets or affordable eateries. If your accommodation has a kitchen, preparing some meals can save money. Don't forget to include snacks, drinks, and special treats in your calculations. Activities and attractions are often the highlight of any trip, but they can also be a major expense. List the experiences you want to have, such as tours, museum visits, or adventure sports, and research their costs. Look for free or low-cost alternatives and consider booking tickets in advance for discounts. Prioritize the activities that matter most to you and allocate your budget accordingly to ensure you don't miss out on what's important. It's easy to overlook the cost of souvenirs and shopping when planning your vacation budget. Whether you want to bring home gifts for loved ones or treat yourself to something special, set aside a portion of your budget for these expenses. Research local markets and typical prices to avoid overspending. Remember, meaningful souvenirs don't have to be expensive. Sometimes the best memories come from small, thoughtful purchases. Travel insurance is an important but often overlooked part of vacation budgeting. It can protect you from unexpected events like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Research different policies and choose one that fits your needs and destination. While it adds to your upfront costs, insurance can save you from much larger expenses down the road. Make sure to read the fine print and understand what's covered before you buy. Every trip comes with unexpected or miscellaneous expenses, such as tips, laundry, or emergency purchases. To avoid being caught off guard, set aside a small portion of your budget for these costs. It's better to have a little extra than to scramble for cash when something unplanned comes up. Being prepared for the unexpected helps keep your vacation stress-free and enjoyable. Now that you've estimated all your expenses, it's time to organize them in a detailed budget spreadsheet. List each category: transportation, accommodation, food, activities, shopping, insurance, and miscellaneous, and input your estimated costs. This visual breakdown helps you see where your money is going and makes it easier to adjust as needed. You can use a simple notebook, a digital spreadsheet, or a budgeting app, whatever works best for you. After listing all your estimated expenses, add them up to get your total vacation budget. Make sure this amount fits within your overall financial situation. If it's higher than you can afford, look for areas to cut back or adjust your plans. Setting a realistic budget ensures you can enjoy your trip without financial stress, both during and after your vacation. The earlier you start saving for your vacation, the easier it will be to reach your goal. Set up a dedicated savings account and contribute regularly, even if it's just a small amount each week. Automating your savings can help you stay on track without thinking about it. Watching your vacation fund grow can also keep you motivated and excited as your trip approaches. As you save and make reservations, keep track of your progress. Update your budget spreadsheet with actual expenses and compare them to your estimates. This helps you stay within your limits and adjust if you're spending more or less than planned. Regularly reviewing your budget ensures you're on track and gives you peace of mind as your trip gets closer. Sometimes, plans change or unexpected opportunities arise. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. If you find a great deal or decide to add an activity, see where you can reallocate funds. Flexibility is key to enjoying your vacation without financial worry. Remember, your budget is a tool to help you, not a strict rule to stress over. Technology can make vacation budgeting much easier. There are many apps designed to help you track expenses, set savings goals, and manage your budget on the go. Explore different options and choose one that fits your style. Using an app can help you stay organized, get reminders, and even split costs if you're traveling with others. Traveling during off-peak seasons can help you save a lot on flights, accommodation, and activities. Research the best times to visit your chosen destination and consider adjusting your travel dates. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy fewer crowds and a more relaxed experience. Flexibility with your schedule can lead to significant savings. Many travel companies offer package deals that bundle flights, hotels, and activities at a discounted rate. Compare these packages to booking separately to see which offers the best value. Sometimes, packages include extras like airport transfers or meals, helping you stretch your budget further. Always read the details to ensure the package fits your needs. If you travel frequently, joining loyalty programs for airlines, hotels, or credit cards can help you earn points and rewards. These can be redeemed for discounts, free nights, or upgrades. Make sure to sign up before booking and check for any special offers. Over time, loyalty programs can make a big difference in your travel budget. Hotels aren't your only option. Consider alternatives like vacation rentals, hostels, or even house sitting. These options can offer unique experiences and often cost less than traditional hotels. Research reviews and safety tips before booking, and make sure your choice fits your comfort level and travel style. Getting around at your destination can be a significant expense. Research local transportation options like public transit, taxis, or rental cars. Compare costs and convenience, and consider purchasing passes or tickets in advance. Walking or biking can also be fun and budget-friendly ways to explore. Planning ahead helps you avoid costly, last-minute decisions. Traveling with friends or family can help you save by splitting costs for accommodation, transportation, and meals. Discuss your budget and expectations with your companions before the trip to avoid misunderstandings. Use apps to track shared expenses and settle up easily. Working together makes budgeting easier and more enjoyable for everyone. To avoid overspending, set a daily limit for discretionary expenses like food, activities, and shopping. This helps you stay on track and makes it easier to adjust if you spend more one day. Carrying cash for daily expenses can also help you stick to your budget. Remember, it's about enjoying your trip without financial stress. Hidden fees can sneak up on you and blow your budget. Look out for extra charges like resort fees, baggage fees, or foreign transaction fees on your credit card. Read the fine print when booking and ask questions if you're unsure. Being aware of these costs helps you plan accurately and avoid surprises. If you're traveling internationally, plan how you'll exchange currency. Research the best rates and avoid exchanging large amounts at airports where fees are often higher. Consider using credit cards with no foreign transaction fees or withdrawing cash from ATMs at your destination. Planning ahead can save you money and hassle. Unexpected situations can happen, so it's wise to have an emergency fund. Set aside a small amount for medical needs, lost items, or sudden changes in plans. Carry copies of important documents and know how to contact your bank or embassy if needed. Being prepared ensures you can handle surprises without derailing your vacation. Before booking anything, review the cancellation and refund policies for flights, hotels, and activities. Flexible options may cost a bit more, but can save you money if your plans change. Understanding these policies helps you make informed decisions and avoid losing money if something unexpected comes up. Packing wisely can help you avoid extra costs like baggage fees or buying forgotten items. Make a checklist of essentials and pack light to stay within airline limits. Bring reusable items like water bottles or shopping bags to save money at your destination. Smart packing means fewer surprises and more money for fun. Many destinations offer free or low-cost activities, such as parks, museums, festivals, or walking tours. Research these options before you go and include them in your itinerary. Free activities can enrich your experience and help you stick to your budget while still having a great time. If your vacation involves a different currency, keep an eye on exchange rates leading up to your trip. Timing your exchange when rates are favorable can save you money. Some apps and websites offer alerts for rate changes, helping you make the most of your travel funds. Public transportation is often cheaper and more convenient than taxis or rental cars. Research bus, train, or subway systems at your destination and consider purchasing passes for unlimited rides. Not only does this save money, but it also gives you a more authentic local experience. While credit cards are convenient, it's easy to lose track of spending. Set a limit for credit card use and pay attention to fees or interest charges. Use cash for daily expenses to help you stick to your budget. If you use a card, choose one with travel rewards or no foreign transaction fees. Planning where and what you'll eat can help you avoid expensive last-minute choices. Research restaurants, local markets, and grocery stores near your accommodation. Make reservations for popular spots and look for lunch specials or happy hours. Meal planning keeps you on budget and lets you enjoy local cuisine without overspending. Tourist areas often have higher prices for food, souvenirs, and activities. Venture a little further from the main attractions to find better deals and more authentic experiences. Ask locals for recommendations and be cautious of overpriced tours or shops. Avoiding tourist traps helps you stretch your budget and discover hidden gems. Many destinations offer discount cards or coupons for attractions, transportation, and dining. Research these options before your trip and purchase in advance if possible. Using discounts can help you enjoy more activities without going over budget. Always check the terms and validity dates before buying. Let your bank know about your travel plans to avoid issues with your cards. Ask about foreign transaction fees and ATM partnerships at your destination. Knowing your options helps you avoid unnecessary charges and ensures you have access to your funds when you need them. Many banks and credit card companies offer travel alerts to help you monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Set up these alerts before your trip for added security. This helps you catch any issues early and keeps your finances safe while you're away. Keeping receipts and tracking your spending during your trip helps you stay within your budget. Review your expenses daily and adjust as needed. This habit also makes it easier to resolve any disputes or claim reimbursements if necessary. Staying organized ensures you have control over your finances throughout your vacation. Once your vacation is over, review your budget and compare your estimated and actual expenses. This reflection helps you learn what worked well and where you can improve for future trips. Celebrate your successes and make notes for next time. Reviewing your budget is the final step to becoming a smarter traveler. Every trip teaches you something new about budgeting and planning. Take note of what worked, what didn't, and any surprises you encountered. Use these lessons to refine your approach for future vacations. With each experience, you'll become more skilled at creating a budget that lets you enjoy your travels to the fullest. Sharing your budgeting tips and experiences with friends and family can help them plan better vacations too. Discuss what strategies worked for you and any resources you found helpful. Building a community of savvy travelers makes planning more fun and rewarding for everyone involved. Saving for a vacation can take time, but keeping your goal in mind makes it easier. Create a vision board, set reminders, or plan mini celebrations as you reach savings milestones. Staying motivated helps you stick to your plan and look forward to your well-earned getaway. With your budget in place, you can relax and enjoy your vacation without worrying about money. Be mindful of your spending, but don't stress over every penny. Focus on making memories and savoring each moment. A well-planned budget gives you the freedom to fully enjoy your trip. Learning to budget for a vacation is just one part of managing your finances. The skills you develop, planning, tracking, and adjusting can be applied to many areas of life. Each trip you take helps you become more confident and capable with your money. Embrace budgeting as a lifelong skill that empowers you to achieve your dreams. Budgeting for a vacation doesn't have to be overwhelming. By setting clear goals, estimating costs, and tracking your progress, you can plan a trip that fits your dreams and your wallet. Remember to stay flexible, learn from each experience, and enjoy the journey. With these tips, you're well on your way to making your next vacation both memorable and affordable.